Hi guys, my name's Craig, this is Gadget King Reviews. Today we're going to be talking about these things, GPS trackers. This is sub £50 tracker and what you can expect from them when you buy one. Full review is coming up right after this. Hi guys, welcome back. My name's Craig, this is Gadget King Reviews, and like I said, we're going to be talking about these little things. This is a GPS tracker and it can be magnetized to any metal. Can you hear that? Because that is strong. Once it's on somewhere flat, it's really strong. Now this is a standby mode of up to 90 days and it does a lot of things that I think are amazing. It's less than £40 and it's so simple to set up. If you read the little instruction manual, it's very small, so there's no point in me even showing you because you're not going to see it. But comes in a nice little package. Now I know for a fact there's other people or branded people who are branding it and they are selling it and it's the same tracker. Now few complaints out there like there's no way to set your password or username. Well, what I say to that is if you're going to be using it for like me, protecting my vehicle full of tools, then write your password down, write your username down, keep it somewhere safe, in your wallet, in your phone, on your notes, whatever you need to do to keep it safe. Why would you not do that? It's simple. Or there's some people who don't know how to set them up because they don't read the instructions. It's like them kids when they have a model, they start building a model. At the end of the model, they've got 30 pieces left because they didn't read the instructions and where them pieces went. Or someone who got an IKEA wardrobe, they started building it. Next thing you know, there's 20 screws on the floor and they're wondering where them screws go. It's because they don't follow the instructions. So don't be one of them. Now, this has loads of things you can do with it. It's got a little app that you can download from the App Store called GPS1. That's all it is. It's a little green one on there. If you can just see it. Not that one. That's maybe iTunes, but that one. And this gives you a map of, in my case, the UK. Now, it has everything from the historical track, so wherever you've been in the vehicle on that day or whatever you want to know where it's been, you can see it. It's got a geofence, so you can set a mileage radius. If it goes out of that area, it'll send an alarm to your phone and you'll know, well, it'll send a message to your phone and you'll know it's gone out of it. It's got mileage statistics, which tells you how far your vehicle's been. It's got device messages, sound recording, so you can actually record what people have been saying in your vehicle. It's got an alarm setting and it's got movement devices. It's got loads of little things that it can do. You can have it on just the normal map or you can have it on the like satellite map. Now, me, what I purchased it for was for the reason that I've just mentioned. I have a van full of tools, thousands of pounds worth, and that gets stuck where nobody's going to see it. Now it has a sleep mode that lasts up to 90 days. When the battery starts to die on it, it sends a message to your phone saying needs recharging. So it's a simple product that you just take it out, recharge it, put it back in the next day, and you know where to go again. You don't have to have it on tracking your vehicle if you're actually in your vehicle. But if anything happens to your vehicle, it gets stolen or anything like that, you send it a simple message. And in my case, it's something like begin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It sends me one back that says began, and it's as simple as that. Now, what you've got to do when you first get them and you set them up, I used the little IEM number. It says use username or IEM of the actual tracker. I use the IEM, put a password in. It comes with a standard password, like a default password, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I changed mine over so to something that I remember all the time. Now, you've got to get a SIM card for it. You could go out and purchase like I don't know, one on a contract and leave it in there and it'll last forever. Me, I got a stupid little gift gaff SIM card which come with £5 free on it, and I put another £10 on it, and it only lasts for a month. But that was just so I did a review. Now I know how good it is. I'm going to actually get a little contract SIM on it, which would just be something for like cheap £5 a month contract or something like that. But just get your SIM card, and I'll just get it open here. I have no fingernails because I always break them at work. There's a little charger button for a USB cable, and it has a little SIM card where you pop it in. Once you pop it in, close it up. Like I say, it sticks like this. Listen. And it just pulls the drawer open. It's hard to get off. That isn't going to fall off in your vehicle at all. Now, I'll show it on the iPad because I downloaded the actual app for the iPad so you can get an idea of what you will see on the iPad. So what you're looking at there is the historical track of where I was on that date, and if you press one of them little red buttons, it will literally say location, more GPS. That gives you the date, it'll give you the time, it'll give you the speed you were travelling at that time, and it gives you the direction. So the direction I was travelling was at 25 kilometers an hour, and I was going in the direction of east. If I press that one there, it'll say same day, speed 73 kilometers per hour, direction north. Simple. And if you have a good look, you can see all the little dots in my own town where I was travelling on that day. Now, I don't know how people can say there's anything wrong with that. It gives you a distance from the actual vehicle or whatever you've put it on. If you're keeping track of your kids and you think they're doing something that they shouldn't be doing in your car and you want to know how fast they're going, that'll tell you how fast they're actually travelling. It'll tell you like a geofence, so if they go out of a certain area, it'll send a message to your phone telling you that they've gone out of that area. You can see where they're at, so it's good for that sort of thing as well, if you, especially if they're driving your vehicle. But me, I got it for protection of my van. Now, the thing itself doesn't have to be on all the time. You just send it a little message, begin 1 2 3 4 5 6, and it starts in case your vehicle gets stolen. Bump, it'll start sending you signals straight away, which direction it's heading and where it might be parked up. And if it's in 5 meters of, that's how close you get from the actual tracker. I'm sure you'll be able to see your vehicle, whether it might be behind the garage door. 5 meters, it'll tell you if it's behind the garage door, in a car park somewhere, whatever might have happened. But for me, guys, for less than £40 to protect property that could be worth thousands of pounds, I think it's a good deal. Now, I'll leave it in the link below. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel, press the like button and press the bell button if you want to be notified of more good deals and more reviews. And I'll leave a little link in the description if you want to check out this tracker. And don't believe all the people when they say it's no good in that, because they're just not reading the instructions correctly. If they were reading the instructions correctly, believe me, I'm telling you, it took me 5 minutes to set that up. I was like quite shocked that what I got for £40. So at the end of the day, guys, I think it's all down to just making sure you follow and read the instructions correctly. So that's my review on the sub £40 GPS tracker, the one that I think for 2018 is the best one so far for 40 sheets. For 40 notes, 40 subs, $40, whatever you want to call it, that's a good deal. Until next time, guys, my name's Craig. This is Gadget King Reviews. Be safe out there, take care of your family, and I'll see you next time.